person's true identity lies in character, not in wealth. Truth of the soul is greater than treasures of the world.
Maula Ali said,
whoever knows himself will find his Lord within. In the mirror of the soul, the light begins. Ali, Ali,
Ali,
Ali.
Patience in hardship, patience away from sin. Strength is not outside, it lives deep within.
Maula Ali said,
Knowledge is your shield, wealth is just a test. Guard your soul with truth and you will be blessed. Your greatest enemy lives inside your nest. Fight your inner war.